Is this a book? Yes, this is a book. Is this a chair? Yes, this is a chair. Is this a table? Yes, this is a table. Is this a door? Yes, this is a door. Is this a window? Yes, this is a window. Is this a cell phone? Yes, this is a cell phone. Is this a tablet? Yes, this is a tablet. Is this a laptop? Yes, this is a laptop. Is this a floor? Yes, this is a floor. Is this a ceiling? Yes, this is a ceiling. Is this a cell phone or a tablet? This is a cell phone. Is this a tablet or a laptop? This is a laptop. Is this a floor or a ceiling? This is a floor. Is this a chair or a table? This is a chair. Is this a door or a window? This is a door. Is this a book or a tablet? This is a tablet. Is this a door or a laptop? This is a door. Is this a window or a chair? This is a chair. What is this? This is a book. What is that? That is a door. What is this? This is a chair. What is that? That is a window. Is that a window or a door? That is a door. Is this a book or a cell phone? This is a cell phone. Is this a cell phone or a laptop? This is a laptop. What is this? This is a tablet. What is that? That is a table. Is this a book? Yes, this is a book. Is that a book? No, that is not a book. That is a door. Is that a window? No, that is not a window. That is a floor. Is that a floor? No, that is not a floor. That is a wall. Is this a wall? No, this is not a wall. This is a ceiling. Is that a laptop? No, that is not a laptop. That is a cell phone. What is this? This is a floor. What is that? That is a ceiling. Is that a ceiling or a window? That is a window. Is this a wall or a laptop? This is a wall. Like I said before, we use a before non-specific nouns. For example, I'm starving. I'm gonna go buy a hamburger. In this example, we don't talk about a particular hamburger. It's non-specific. How do you like this example? The hamburger I ate in the morning was truly terrible. Instead of a hamburger, I said the hamburger. Because in this example, we talk about a particular hamburger, the one I ate in the morning. Let's look at a couple more examples. I'm terrified of blood, and I've never wanted to be a doctor. Doctor is just a job. Doctor here is not a particular person. That's why we say a doctor. The doctor told me that I should quit smoking. We say the doctor because we talk about a particular doctor. A doctor? Just some doctor, like a profession. The doctor? A particular doctor, a particular person. But not all situations are so obvious. There are tons of exceptions. There is no point memorizing them all. You just have to repeat them many times in the context. Don't worry, it's much easier than you think. On, in, a picture, the, Is the table on the ceiling? No, the table is not on the ceiling. The table is on the floor. Is the chair on the window? No, the chair is not on the window. The chair is on the floor. Is the laptop on the wall? No, the laptop is not on the wall. The laptop is on the table. Is the table on the floor or in the floor? The table is on the floor. Is the cell phone on the table or in the table? The cell phone is on the table. Is the picture on the wall? Yes, the picture is on the wall. Is the picture on the floor? No, the picture is not on the floor. The picture is on the wall. What is on the wall? The picture is on the wall. What is on the floor? The table is on the floor. Is that a laptop or a ceiling? That is a ceiling.